Today's class is all about the core. If you have 5 minutes, you can work on strengthening your abs, connecting with your core, and all you need today is your mat, maybe a blanket for your head, and a strap. When you're ready, lie down onto your back with your legs bent and keep your feet hip-width apart. Point your toes directly ahead and relax your arms by your sides. Lengthen your spine so it feels like one straight line from the head to the tailbone. Place your hands gently on your lower abdominals, just below your navel. While you exhale, just notice how your abdomen gently drops down. Inhale and exhale slowly, feeling your abdomen soften. Another inhale, and while you exhale, just noticing how the abdomen gently draws down with that exhalation. With your next exhalation, purposefully draw your navel down towards the floor and lengthen the lower back. Now press your heels firmly into the mat, and this time imagine sliding your feet away from your torso, as if you were trying to push them forward, but your heels stay glued to the floor. Let's practice this for 4 counts. Press your heels down into the mat and try to slide your heel forward. Feel the engagement of your core and the lengthening in your low back. Inhale, and while you exhale, press the heels down and create that same resistance. Once more, inhale, exhale, press and imagine sliding the feet, keeping control and focus. Last one. Inhale, press your heels down, and exhale, draw the navel down and lengthen your spine. Now bend your knees in towards your chest. Place your hands on the lower abs just to feel that drawing down of the navel. And then while you exhale, straighten your legs up towards the ceiling. Once you feel that your lower back has popped off of the floor, just bend your legs, put your feet on the floor, and then we'll repeat again. Bend your knees in towards your chest, draw the navel down, and take the legs straight up. And then you can bend the legs and bring them right back down. Exhaling up, navel down, and then bringing the feet down. Inhale, exhale, stretch the legs up towards the ceiling, and then come back down. One more repetition, feeling the back and keeping the core engaged. Place the feet back down on the floor and take a moment's rest. Then take your strap or your belt and open it up and place it around the bottoms of the feet and take the legs straight up towards the ceiling. Pull down the strap and get your elbows down to the floor, pressing into the elbows. Roll your shoulders under and then push up through the feet, especially the balls of your feet. Then again, draw the abdomen down so your lower back and your hips feel grounded into the floor. Make sure that you're keeping your legs very straight. Then remove your right foot out of the strap, and while you exhale, you bring the right foot halfway down or a third of the way down, whatever angle that works for you, so that you can maintain the straight leg and lower back down. And we're repeating a few times here. Lengthening the right leg down, keeping the shape, making sure that the left leg stays directly up and down and it doesn't move. One more repetition on the right side. Go as low as you can manage, and then we come back up. Right foot goes back inside the strap. Reset, bring the left foot out. Make sure you pull down with the arms. Left leg goes halfway down or whatever angle that you can manage, as long as you keep your abdomen down, lower back down. And we're repeating each time, possibly getting a little bit lower, paying attention to the length of the leg, paying attention to the top leg, steadily staying straight up and down. And then the foot goes back inside the strap and we reset and get symmetrical one more time. If possible now, let go of the strap and keep the legs straight up and down. Then bend your knees into your chest and feet back on the floor. You can put the strap aside. Rest your knees against each other. Take a moment here to relax, and then when you're ready, turn to the side to bring you up. I highly recommend doing this practice daily. You'll be amazed at how much core strength you will build in a short time, and you'll be ready for the next installment in the core series. So keep an eye out for that, and thank you.